Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an interactive landing page. First, clearly define your page's purpose and who you want to reach. Think about what you want visitors to do, like signing up for a newsletter or downloading a guide. Next, select interactive elements that truly serve your objective, ensuring they enhance the user experience. Finally, map out the entire user journey, from entry to conversion, to create a seamless and engaging flow. Now, let's focus on design and content. Your landing page needs a visually appealing layout that immediately grabs attention and guides users toward your call to action. Craft compelling, concise content that clearly communicates your message and encourages visitors to engage with interactive elements. Don't forget to integrate rich multimedia, such as short videos or subtle animated graphics, to boost engagement and convey information effectively. Next, we'll dive into implementing interactivity. Consider adding engaging elements like short quizzes, quick polls, or interactive forms to gather valuable user input and keep visitors involved. Dynamic content, which adapts based on a user's previous actions or preferences, can personalize the experience significantly. Also, subtle animations and micro-interactions, such as hover effects or button feedback, can make the page feel more responsive and alive. Finally, testing and optimization are crucial for success. Rigorously test every interactive element on your page across multiple devices and browsers to ensure flawless functionality. Analyze user behavior data, like click-through rates and time spent on page, to pinpoint areas where engagement can be improved. Then, conduct a/B tests with different versions of your page to continuously optimize for higher conversion rates and a better user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.